a pre-dawn glow, where rises to chase night shadow. Its breath gives life to bounds above, fusing worlds with the boundless love. Ancient story in his blood, turning darkness into light, where light prevails, all shadows through the endless day. Dawn breaks with golden light, magic weaves through realms of sight. Frost chirped in the morning quad, guiding worlds above and below, casting warmth upon the land, crafting bonds with this divine hand. Across the sky, Ra travels high, creating gods with ancient sighs. Moonlit path through chaos stream, shining bright in endless dreams. With the dawn, guiding us as night is gone. In the underworld he fights against the shadow of endless night. In twilight, Ra takes his descent to the realm where shadows blend. His courage shapes the skies above, and the stillness he picks them up. Through the underworld he treads, casting the light where darkness treads. Every dawn a new rebirth, His glory shines upon the earth. Ra rises with each day's birth, His light a beacon on this earth. Illuminating stars with grace, casting shadows that time's face. In his chariot the suns ascend, to daylight's journey never spent. As twilight whispers, moon takes flight, in Ra's glow enters the night. Gray